Hello! Today we're going to be doing a tour on this home. We're located in Lusby, Maryland, off of Mill Road. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Built in 1959. Recently renovated. This is on a shared road. Parking is located behind the home. I'll have to check with the listing agent. It looks like this is just a small lot here. I'm not sure who owns the lot in front of the house. But I'm wondering that's what these markers are indicating. This home is on a well and septic. Alright, let's go check out the inside. Here we are on the front entrance. Taking a chance to kind of look around. It doesn't look like any of the windows have screens, but they are double pane. Here is the side door to the kitchen. And I have all the lights on. Open up the dishwasher for you. All new appliances. Huge open space. It's a really nice open floor plan. Now this home boasts that has 2 washer and dryers. The first one is located down here in the little office area. No door handle on here, but it is spring-loaded. I guess it opens both ways. So the washer dryer, HVAC, and the hot water tank is located under the stairs. And HVAC there. Thermostat located in the office here. Sorry, trying to get this to focus. Half bath located on the main level. Now their home was built in 1959, so there is a little bit of sloping in the flooring. I think it's just natural settlement in the home. I just wanted to let you know. All new recessed lighting. Okay. Very nice wide open stairs going to the upper floor. Here we are on the second floor. Recessed lighting up here. Well, hallway, full bathroom. You see large open space in the hallway. So the first bedroom here on the left. As you can see, same flooring as downstairs. Second bedroom. This bedroom has the access to the attic. Alright, so we have the third bedroom here. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms up here. Doesn't look like this one has a ceiling fan as well. Okay, that's an interesting design. I don't know if you can see it. They built this ledge that's kind of blocking some of the window. here we are in the main bedroom. Just like downstairs, I am feeling a little bit of sloping in the flooring. Unfortunately, you can't really see it in the camera. Very spacious. Let me give you a wide shot of the upstairs. I could have done this without the lights on, getting a lot of natural light in today, and it's actually kind of cloudy out today and raining. We have the walk-in closet. Owner's suite master bathroom. This is the only window I saw that has the seals broken. That's why it's cloudy like that. In here, this is the room where the washer and dryer would be. So the upstairs does not have a washer dryer up here, but it does have the hookups. And it's got a drain pan installed on this side, so you can put two full size up here. Nope. Sorry what the lighting is making the camera focus on me. Going upstairs. But yeah, I can tell you from the outside, it does not look like there's that much space in here, but it's very spacious in this house. I was really surprised, especially these hallways up here. Well, that concludes our tour.